I'm Chloe Reeves, and I work here at Baker Hughes as a CNC Machinist. I've worked here for 2 years now, and I really enjoy it here. Here at Baker Hughes, we make different parts for a subsurface safety valve, and the purpose of our subsurface safety valves is to keep the environment and the people safe. In 2019, I graduated from Green Country Technology Center in the CNC Machining program. I really enjoyed that program, and I liked the atmosphere and the curriculum and how they taught everything. It's really rare to be able to get in there and actually work with the machines yourself, to be able to get hands-on experience and actually learn how they work and make stuff. I think Green Country is a great opportunity to start, even if you take a different class than I did. For high school students, it's free, and you can get to learn a trade, and you can get a really good paying job right out of high school. And it's just a good opportunity to learn something new.